Hey little monsters, it's Monday and we are at the start of another lunch week. For today's school lunch, I am using the Yum Box Original, and inside the Yum Box Original, I have what I typically pack in this box. This box has many compartments, but they're pretty small, and my son's starting to outgrow it a little bit, but I love using it to do these like Lunchable type meals. So today I am using some grilled chicken. Then I have some mini non dippers. So this is by Stonefire. And they're little. I love using these. I have a video just on what I do with these dippers. I have some cucumber and tomato mixture here. I have a clementine that I peeled up and a Kobe jack cheese stick. And then in the center, I just have 3 little mini Oreos for dessert. To go with that, I'm just going to give him a pack of fruit snacks. And then I got this peanut butter and jelly bar from Trader Joe's. He is going to have a thermos of water and then 1 of milk per usual. So that's what he's eating today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one. Hey guys, so for today's lunch, I'm using the Yum Box Panino. Inside the Yum Box Panino, I made a sandwich. I have some wheat or whole grain bread, I should say, with Nutella, and then I used a sandwich cutter. This is the puzzle one, and I really like using this one, although it gets really hard to cut up the pieces because there's like smaller parts to it here, but looks like that. So that is the main meal. I have some veggie straws to go with that. I have his multivitamins in the center, and then a clementine that I peeled up. For a snack, I'm just gonna give him a bag of trail mix here. And then I have his thermos of water and then 1 of milk, and that is what he is eating for lunch today. I am gonna throw in a lunch note. So I have here a wacky fact: hot water is heavier than cold. And then the laugh is, why did the cookie visit the therapist? And the answer is because it was feeling crummy. So if you guys want to add this to your kids' lunch, go ahead and do so, but we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Good morning, guys. Today we are using the Caperchi Kids Versatile box. Inside this box, I have some roll-ups. So I am using the tray that comes with this box. Here I have 2 slices of bread. I made it flat by using the palm of my hand. You can use a rolling pin if you want. And then I spread on some apple cider fruit spread. I found this at Trader Joe's this week, and I love this season when it comes to the fall season and apples. We are more of apple fans, not as much pumpkin fans, but I got this and I spread it onto the 2 pieces of bread, and then I rolled them up individually so they look like that. And then I just cut them into 2 pieces each, and I put it into the container. With that, I have half an apple that I sliced here. I have some tomatoes. This is Pirate Beauty. They have a new Halloween theme, and it's almost that time, so I got this Halloween theme one. I put some Pirate Beauty in here, and then I have his multivitamins in the little container here. To go with that for a snack, I'm just going to give him a yogurt stick and a Baby Bell cheese. And then for drinks, he just has this thermos of water and a carton of milk today. I am going to be packing an ice pack, so I have this ice pack I got from Bentgo, and that's going to be his lunch. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Happy Friday, guys. We are at the end of our lunch week. This is my lazy mom lunch week. I feel like it's been pretty tough for me at work these last couple of days, and I've been resorting to some easy meals, and this is another one for me at least. So it is Friday. I like to give him special treats. We are using the Bentgo Kids box today. In our Bentgo Kids, I have chicken nuggets. These nuggets are the best. I love this. My friend Jessica gave me a bag, and these are from Costco. They are the Bear chicken nugget brand, and they really do taste like Chick-fil-A nuggets. So if you guys are looking for nuggets like that, they actually taste really good. I put these in the air fryer today, so I have 5 pieces for him to eat. He's not really much of a dipper, and so sometimes I'll pack some sauce, but then he doesn't really dip it anyway. So I decided to skip that today. I have here some green and red grapes. I have some mini pretzels here, and then I just have some carrot sticks that I cut into pieces here because it's pretty hard for him to eat a full baby carrot, so I just cut them into 4 pieces. And then I have his multivitamins in the center. For a snack, I'm just going to give him a pack of Made Good granola minis. This is the chocolate chip one. They're basically little mini granola bars and balls. I'm sorry, balls. and they're very good. So I have that, and then since it is Friday, I like to give him a special treat for drinks. So I'm just gonna give him this juice box of lemonade, and then this is a thermos of water. That is what he's bringing to lunch today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Also, if you guys have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. We do post weekly videos on Friday, and that way you can get some more ideas. I also have some videos on TikTok that shows how I put the actual meals together. And then if you want to follow me on Instagram as well, we are all there. Thanks for watching and have a monster-rific week. We will see you next time. Bye.